Check out this massive tree along the roadside. Now if this should fall, rest assured that we will not have any electricity in this area. And these are some of the things that the authorities should seek to eliminate, you know. Yeah, they should try and get rid of the problem before it becomes a problem. Massive tree along the roadside. But they are not thinking. They would prefer to wait until the tree fall, damage motorists, light wire and all these things, then they come and clean up after.